This video is a testimonial, or I can say experience with by working with Raghuvir. I'm running at a company called Data Gigs. Initially, when I was starting my company, I had a lot of issue with by not getting a good client, not getting good leads, and the conversion. Because of that, I was struggling a lot, and my business was not doing great. So I met Raghuvir, and he helped me to setting up all the sales funnel, like marketing funnel, like Facebook ads, all things. And because of that, now today I'm back in my business, and my revenue has completely doubled today. And I'm pretty happy that whatever Raghuvir helped me, he gave me a lot of marketing tips, a lot of funnels, and because of that, I'm back in the business. So my friend, if you're looking for someone who really want the help, okay, to set up your funnel, to start your marketing, you start a business, I think Raghuvir is the right person. He can definitely help you. And the most important thing, what I have seen, that Raghuvir has a passion. He's a man of passion, and he will not think about how much hour they are giving. He can extend to any hour, and he has a complete passion about solving the client problem. So I will highly recommend you guys, if you're struggling this kind of problem, get in touch with Raghuvir. He will definitely help you in your business in terms of marketing, in terms of funnel, in terms of ad. He's going to rock you. He can definitely help you in this context.